Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download and install DirectX 12 on Windows. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for DirectX. Make sure you are downloading this DirectX from the Microsoft official website. So once the website is open, click on the download button and open the file. Now click on yes, and you just have to check or toggle is I accept the agreement and click on next. Then you have to again click on the next button and the installation process is start. Now click on next again, and once this completed, you will see that your installation process is also complete. Um, this will take a moment. Make sure your connection is up to date, and you can see that this is installing or copying the files. Now, once it's done, hit on the finish button. So you just have to click on the finish button and done. You have successfully downloaded your DirectX 12 and install it on your Windows system. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.